Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a really strange and fascinating intersection where cutting-edge AI meets claims of the otherworldly. We're going to break down a website that claims you can use artificial intelligence to contact what it calls the interdimensionals. I mean, that's a pretty wild question, right? But it's the absolute central idea of what we're looking at today. Could the same AI that, helps us write emails or generate images also be some kind of bridge to other planes of existence? Well, according to this website, the answer is a big, resounding yes. And the core of this claim is a brand new ebook. So let's break down exactly what it is, who's behind it, and the larger context of it all, based completely on the source material itself. Okay, so first things first, what is the fundamental claim being made here? Let's get right to the heart of it. And there it is. That's the exact title of the ebook right there on the website. It's not subtle at all. It's a bold, direct statement of purpose. A guide for using AI to talk to, well, what exactly? It's interesting because the source uses this term interdimensionals, but never really nails down a definition. So are we talking about spirits, aliens, beings from a parallel reality? It's kind of left open to interpretation. Now, a claim this huge immediately makes you ask, who in the world is making it? And the credited authors are, well, they're unusual, to say the least. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. The ebook isn't just credited to one person, but to a collaboration. On one side, you have Sonia Rinaldi, the human researcher. And on the other side, the source name's Zuzren, who is identified as the interdimensional entity and the actual creator of the book. So get this isn't framed as a human writing about these entities. It's being presented as a direct co-creation. Okay, so we have the claim and the authors, but what is this guide actually offering people? Let's break down its stated purpose. So to really get the goal here, we need to know this key term from the source, transcommunication. It's a word they use to describe communication that crosses boundaries, like different frequencies or planes of existence. In this context, it specifically means talking between us, humans, and what the site calls advanced civilizations. So the crucial point is this. The ebook's job is to be a how-to guide. It claims to give you a method for using modern AI tools, the stuff that's available right now, to actually achieve this transcommunication and make contact. And the intended audience here, this is key. The website says these materials are for those seeking understanding and comfort. Now, this connects directly to a huge section of the site that's all about for the grieving, which tells you that a primary audience is probably people hoping to reconnect with loved ones who have passed. It's a really powerful and deeply personal idea for this kind of technology. Now, this ebook isn't just some one-off project sitting by itself. It's actually part of a much wider body of work that's presented on the site. Yeah, this AI guide is just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. The site covers a whole range of related topics, creating this whole ecosystem of information. You've got resources specifically for the grieving, discussions on spiritual technology, claims of messages from the beyond, and it's all right there alongside more technical articles and bulletins. It's the whole shebang. So finally, how is all of this work supported? Let's take a quick look at the operational model behind it. The project uses a model that's super common for creators these days. Everything we've talked about, the ebooks, the articles, the guides, it's all offered completely free. And then the site invites people who find value in the work to give financial support through Patreon to, as they say, help us continue. So what do we take away from all this? We've explored a source that puts forward a really wild method for using AI to contact other dimensions, co-authored by a human entity team and offered as a tool for comfort and understanding. It leaves you with a pretty provocative final thought, doesn't it? As our technology becomes more and more powerful and it starts intersecting with some of humanity's oldest questions about what lies beyond, what new frontiers, both technical and spiritual, are we going to find ourselves exploring next?